Let us discuss a topic on multiple integration. In that, the first case, evaluation of the double integral. The evaluation of the double integral can be defined over the region capital R. R is the real number set. It may be evaluated by two successive integrations as follows. Two double integration means two successive integrations. One integral is defined in the real values, that is a is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to b. Another integral can be defined in the region y1 of x is less than or equal to y2 of x. That is nothing but y variable can be defined as y1 of x and y2 of x. Those are the boundaries of the capital R, that is the lower limit and upper limit of the curve. Then the integral a to b integral y1 of x, y2 of x, function f of x comma y dy dx. It is equal to integral a to b. These are the real values. First, we are integrating the function expression of the another variable. Here, y variable can be expressed in x means first we can integrate the y function. Okay, y1 of x to y2 of x are the boundaries, that is lower limit and upper limit. The function f of x comma y can integrate with respect to y. After that, we are integrate with respect to x. This is the way of the integration. First, we can observe that the variable is expressed in x means first we are differentiating. The integral limits are in x variable, we are integrating with respect to y variable. Then in the place of y, substitute the upper and lower limits. After that, integrate with respect to x. Then substitute the real values of the x values. Then the getting of the value is the integral value. Okay. Let us discuss a problem. Evaluate integral 0 to 2. This is nothing but integral a to b. The second integral limits are in the x expression. The function f of x comma y is y dx dy actually. But here the y variable can be expressed as the boundaries of the 0 and x. That is nothing but y1 of x is equal to 0. That is y equal to, it is the one boundary. Y equal to y2 of x, that is equal to x. That is the upper boundary. This is suitable to integral 0 to a to b, actual, the integration, evaluation of the double integral, y1 of x to y2 of x, f of x comma y dx dy. It is equal to integral a to b, integral y1 of x to y2 of x, f of x comma y. First, we integrate with respect to y. After that, x. Why? Because the variable in expressed in x, the limits are in x. Now here 0 to 2, integral 0 to x, y dy dx. It is equal to integral 0 to 2, integral 0 to x, y dy whole dx. It is equal to integral 0 to 2, y integration is y square by 2, limits from 0 to x dx. It is equal to integral 0 to 2, upper limit is x, x square by 2, lower limit is 0 square by 2 into dx. 0 by something is 0. So it is equal to integral 0 to 2, x square by 2 dx is equal to 1 by 2, integral 0 to 2, x square dx equal to 1 by 2, x square integration is x cube by 3, limits from 0 to 2, that is equal to 1 by 2, 2 cube by 3 minus 0 cube by 3 is equal to 1 by 2, 2 to the 4, 2 the 8 by 3, minus 0 is 8 by 3. 2 ones are 2 fours are. It is equal to 4 by 3. Therefore, integral 0 to 2 integral 0 to x y dy dx equal to 4 by 3 is the answer.